Good morning all 6th class students. I am Lavanya from Maths department. Today I want to say about LCM. Actually this topic from we see in 5th class and also we read in 6th class also. Now again I have to tell about LCM. Why? Because this topic will continue in next class also. Up to 10th class we are using LCM. What is LCM? LCM means least common multiple. Before we discuss LCM, first we have to discuss what are the prime numbers, what is the co-prime numbers, what is the composite numbers, what is the even numbers, what is the odd numbers, what is the twin prime numbers. Why we are using these numbers? Because if you find out the LCM, we are using prime numbers. That's why we have to learn first these numbers. First we have to discuss even numbers. I think all of you know that even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 because the numbers which are divisible by 2 is called as the even numbers. Next, odd numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2, those numbers are called as odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. I will ask one question. For example, 36. Is it even number? Yes, because this number is divisible by 2. That's why it is even number. Same like that, 47. 47 is a even number? No, because this number is not divisible by 2. If the number is not divisible by 2, those number is called as the odd number. So 47 is the example of odd number. 36 is the example for the even number. We can find out so many examples for even numbers and odd numbers. Next, prime numbers. It's the very important. Prime numbers means the numbers which have exactly two factors. Those are called as a prime numbers. What is a factor? Factor means it's any number it's divisible by largest number is divisible by any number with remainder is 0 is called as the factor. For example, take 3. I said it is a prime number. Why it is a prime number? How can we write 3? 1 3s are 3. Can we write 3 in any cases? We can't write it. That's why how many factors for 3? 1 and 3. Exactly 2 factors are there. We can say that one that is a prime number. Next, 5. How can we write 5? 1 into 5. Can we write in another case? We don't write because 5 is there in only one table and 5 is there in 5 table. That's why these are how many factors? 2 factors. That's why it is called as a prime number. We can say that one up to 100, 1 to 100, 1 to 100, 25 prime numbers are there. 1 to 100, how many prime numbers are there? 25 prime numbers are there. We will take another example. 19. How can you write 19? 1 19s are 19. In 2 table 19 is there? In 3 table 19 is there? In any O table is 19 is there? No. Because it has only 2 factors. That's why it is called as a prime number. Next. What is the least prime number? The least prime number is 2. Least prime number. Least prime number is 2. And also another name for 2 is, it is also even prime number. It is even prime number. 2 is the least prime number and it is also even prime number. Only one number has the even prime number, that is the 2. Remaining all prime numbers are odd primes only. For example, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number. Of course these are prime numbers. These are even numbers? No. All these numbers are odd prime numbers. Now one more number is composite numbers. For the prime numbers we can say that one exactly 2 factors. For the composite numbers we can say that one more than 2 factors. Prime numbers means exactly 2 factors. Composite numbers means it has more than 2 factors. For example, we can say that one 4. How can we write 4? How many factors are there? 1 is there and 2 is there and 4 is there. How many factors we have? 3 factors here. 3 factors means it is more than 2 or not? Yes, it is more than 2. That's why 124s are 24. 2 12s are 24. Next, 3 8s are 24. Next, 4 6s are 24. Next, 5 table is 24 is there? No. But again in 6 table 24 is there. 4 6 are or 6 4s are. Both are same. No need to write again 6 4s are. Next, 6 after 7. 7 table 24 is there? No. Because 7 is not a factor of 24. Next, 8. In 8 table 24 is there? Yes. 8 3s are 24. 3 8s are and 8 3s are. Both are same only. No need to write again 8 3s are. Next, 12 2s are 24. 24 1s are 24. So how many factors we have? Take like U shape. Then you can write factors of 24 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma, again you can write like this, 6 comma 8 comma 12 comma 24. So how many factors of 24? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the number of factors of 24 is the 8 factors. So 8 factors means it's more than 2 factors, I think. That's why this is example for the composite number. So what is the difference between the prime numbers and the composite numbers? Prime numbers means it has exactly 2 factors. Those are 1 and number itself. Composite numbers means the numbers which have more than 2 factors is called as the composite numbers. Next topic is co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers means the numbers which have only 1 as the common factor is called as the co-prime number. Shall we see the one example for this one? For example, 7 and 16. I can say that one, these two numbers are co-prime numbers. Why I said these are co-prime numbers? Shall we write first factors of 7? Factors of 7. What are the factors of 7? 1 and 7. Next, because 7 is there only one table and 7 table. Can you see in another table? No. Next, factors of 16. What are the factors of 16? 1. Next, 2. Next, 3. No. 3 in 3 table 16 is there? No. Next, 4. Next, 8. Next, 16. So these are the factors of 16. What is the common here? In this factor of 7, in the factor of 16, what is the common? 1 and 1. So that's why if the only common factor is 1, those numbers are called as the co-prime numbers. Only 1 as the common factor for the numbers is called as the co-prime numbers. We will see the another example. 12, 20. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Did you understand how can we write? Because 1 12s are, 2 6s are, 3 4s are, 4 3s are, 6 2s are, 12 1s are, like that. Next, factors of 20. Which table is cancelled in 20? 1, 2, next 4, next 5, next 10, next 20. What is the common factors here? Common factors. What are the common factors? 1, 1 and 4 also. 1 and 2, 4. How many common factors we have? 3 common factors are there. If common factors 3 is there, can we say that this is the co-prime numbers? No, because co-prime numbers means only 1 as the common factor. Co-prime numbers means only 1 as the common factor. Those are called as the co-prime numbers. For example, 5, 8. This is the one more pair of the co-prime numbers. Next, 7 to 9. This is also another example for the co-prime numbers. Twin primes. I think all of you know about twins. Twins means kavalu pillalu. So twin primes means the numbers which have twin primes means these are prime numbers only. These are prime numbers only. But the difference between the two prime numbers is 2. That is called as the twin primes. For example, 3, 5. 3 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number? Yes, because these have only 2 factors. Only 3 have factors. How many? 2. What are those? 1, 3. Same 5 also. How many factors we have? 2. What are those? 1, 5. But the difference between these two, what? The difference between these two primes, what? 2. So, the difference between two prime numbers is 2 is called as the twin primes. The difference between the two primes is 2 is called as the twin primes. Simply we can say that one, twin primes are differed by 2. Twin primes are differed by 2. I will ask one question. 7, 9. These are twin primes. 7 and 9. These are twin primes. I said these are not twin primes. Why? 7 is a prime number. Okay. Difference is 2. Okay. But 9 is a prime number? No. It must be both the numbers are prime numbers. Then we can say that one, those are twin primes. Now we will see that one, how to find out the LCM. So LCM means least common multiple. We find out the LCM using two methods. First one is the prime factorization method, division method. So to find out the LCM, how many methods are there? Two methods are. What are those? Prime factorization method, and also second one is the division method. Actually in the prime factorization method, we will take the numbers individually, separately we can do that one. And in the division method, we will take the numbers in the grouply and we are separating them by using commas. Actually, I don't discuss prime factorization method. I want to say about the division method. Why? For the next class also we are using division method only, not prime factorization method. In 6th class only we are doing prime factorization method. In previously we discussed in 5th class also prime factorization method. But in the next classes we are using only division method to find out the LCM. Next, for how many numbers we will find out the LCM? For one number shall we find out the LCM? No, we will find out the LCM for two numbers or more than two numbers. For the division method, we will do how to find out the LCM now. LCM of 12, 24, 60. In the division method, how can you find out the LCM? First, you will write the numbers in grouply 12, 24, 60. We are separating by them commas or not? Yes. Now which table is cancelled? We will take only prime numbers only. We don't take composite numbers. Only we will do LCM using prime numbers only. In all those three numbers, no need to cancel two tables. In any two table, 2 is cancelled, we will take that table. So here which table is cancelled? We will observe here 2 is also divisible, 3 is also divisible. So it's your wish. You can take 2 also, you can take 3 also. In both the methods, we get the same answer. First we will take 2. If anybody at your home, if you have to 3, no problem. 2 is cancelled 12 how many times? 6 times. 2 is cancelled 24 how many times? 12 times. 2 is cancelled 60 how many times? 30 times. Now again which table is cancelled? 2 table is cancelled. So 2 is cancelled 6 how many times? 3 times. 2 is cancelled 12 how many times? 6 times. 2 is cancelled 30 how many times? 15 times. Now again which table is cancelled? 3, 6, 15. Which table is cancelled? 3 table is cancelled. 3 is cancelled 3 how many times? 1 time. 3 is cancelled 6 how many times? 2 times. 3 is cancelled 15 how many times? 5 times. Shall we stop the division here? Why have to stop the division here? Because if you are doing LCM, if the prime numbers are there, if co-prime numbers are there, up to there you have to do the division. If the prime number or co-prime numbers are there, you have to stop the division. Observe here 2, 5. 2, 5. Those are which numbers? Prime numbers. If those are prime numbers or if those are co-prime numbers are there, we have to stop the division. After completion of this process, what will do? We have to multiply. We have to multiply these numbers. L shape. Observe like this. Divisors and remaining numbers. Divisors and remaining numbers. It means this is the reminders. 2 into 3 into. We will write these numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 2 into 5. 1 into 2 into 5. This symbol I think everybody know that, but now you have to multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 1s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 5s are 120. So we have to find out the LCM for two numbers or more than two numbers. We will use only prime numbers. For the LCM of 12, 24, 60 is, what is the answer? 120. At your home you have to practice, otherwise LCM of your age, your father age, your mother age. We will do like that also. Second example, LCM of 5, 7, 9. LCM of 5, 7, 9. Please tell me how can you find out the LCM for the 5, 7, 9. Is there any table is cancelled? Not only all those three numbers, in these two numbers or in these two numbers or in these two numbers. It will be cancelled. Is there any table is cancelled here? No, because these are which numbers? Co-prime numbers. These are which numbers? Co-prime numbers. Because only one is the common factor for the all these three numbers. Then how can you find out the LCM? If the numbers are like this, how can you find out the LCM? Simply we have to do the multiplication. If there is no table is cancelled, it means if those are prime numbers or if these are co-prime numbers, simply we will do the LCM for those numbers. We have to product of those numbers. To product 5 into 7 into 9. 5 7s are 35. 35 into 9. 35 9s are 9 5s are 40. By adding 4 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4 30. So what is the LCM of 5, 7, 9? 315. So we will have to find out the LCM for the prime numbers or co-prime numbers. We have to remember that point. We have to simply multiply those numbers or product of those numbers. I will ask one simple LCM for these numbers. Tell me, what is the LCM of 2, 9? LCM of 2, 9 is 2 9s are 18. Some important points are there in LCM. So we will discuss actually what is a factor, what is a prime number, what is a co-prime numbers, like that. Some important notes is dash is neither prime nor composite. It's very important bit actually in competitive exams, in merit exams also. Our school also conducting some exams. In that time also they are asking something. What is that one? Dash is neither prime nor composite number. Dash is neither prime nor composite number. What's that? 1 is neither prime nor composite number. 1 is not a prime number, 1 is not a composite number. Next, second point is which is the least factor for every number? 1 is the least factor for every number. 1 is factor for every number. 1 is factor for every number. Next, already I said in the beginning of class, what is it? 2 is the even and least prime number. 2 is even prime number. It means we can say that when 2 is even prime number. We can say that when 2 is the even prime number. Is there any least composite number also there? Yes. 4 is least composite number. And 9 is the least composite number. 4 is the which number? Even number. So we can say that 4 is the least even composite number. Same like that, 9 is least odd composite number. Next, already I said in 1 to 100 how many prime numbers are there? 25 prime numbers are there between 1 to 100. 25. These are some important points on the LCM. So, once you observe, 1 is the neither prime nor composite number, 1 is the factor for every number, 2 is even prime number, and 4 is least composite number, 9 is the least odd composite number, and 25 prime numbers are there between 1 to 100. So, don't forget about the LCM because it will be very useful and it's very important for the next classes also. Later I will, after completion of this one, I will send some questions to you. Please have to find out the solution and send the answers also. And thank you for listening my class. Thank you so much everyone and take care of yourself.